Canadian Conan Tingora. I got good news for you, and at the same time bad news. Ko be opinion for no reason. Check it up on the Kunika Tangwan until now. But when you're not Ramdon Yacht, when you're not Ramdon Yacht, the same nonsense. I got a good news. Because I believe you need to do it. To ngong na to share to sin. To nang no what is I neck. But the nang na shay neck. Quarter na shay neck. So some chewy. Door very open and tell me. 10 book when go on the motel could you show your phone. Okay, we'll go there. Show a message. I love you, my queen, my lovely, my moor. I let him go. The motel again, be your come. Okay, and you must be handsome man actually. Shouldn't go to short, fat, ugly. No, I want tall, black, dark, handsome, with good teeth because I have no good teeth. Okay, she ain't beautiful, but good. I wouldn't be handsome. She ain't good without which you would know. I don't want man with skinny ass and big tummy. I don't want that kind of man. Okay. I don't need one pack, I need 6 pack. But confront you kill you, Magargur, but you take a 6 pack, okay? Because I don't want this nonsense no more. Mingi Roshian handsome. Don't dare call me. Mijin handsome. Can you see handsome? Don't call me. I need a man with $1 million in his account. Take a long curve and disturb one why you don't go to you the one like a pot cup and make you like a pot. Why do you go to you to better with a Belkama? I'm a guru. You can't disturb me. You're ugly and shameless and useless and hopeless and jobless. And you're disturbing me. You laugh me. Laugh who? You can't even feed yourself. And you're disturbing me with nonsense love. Don't you know love with no money is nonsense. Love with no money is nonsense. If you are rich, tall, dark, you got some 6 packs, including the 6 pack on somewhere there, because 12. So you are allowed to call me, but you cannot disturb me. I love you. I want to be with you. This and this. You're calling me anytime, many days. Are you paying my phone bill? Of course, no. You don't pay my house rent, you don't pay my bill, you don't pay my phone bill, you don't pay nothing. And if I ask you let go out, I will be the one who pay for it. I will be the one who pay for it. Pay for your coffee. What kind of nonsense is that? I don't want nobody to call me if you're not tall, dark. Okay. If you're not tall, dark, rich, handsome, don't call me. I need men with money. I don't need no man with 6 pack and no money. I need your bank account to be handsome more than you. If you are poor, don't call me. Okay? My time of pitying you guys done. I am broke. I need a rich guy. Okay? I am like short and fat and ugly. Be managed. Okay? Don't call me when you don't have money. I need money and then laugh. You get it? Until now, it's 7:24 in Melbourne. Here you guys can see the time. 7:24. Disturbing me for no reason. The door is open. I need a man that have money. I need money. You love me? I need money. You don't have money? Don't love me. The deal is simple. If you are a rich guy, I love you already. Even if you are ugly and short and fat and like a gorilla, I will love you because of your money. If you are tall, handsome, cute, and you are broke, don't call me. Don't even send me a message because I will not agree with you. don't send me a message. You can't wake me up at 3 a.m. telling me nonsense love. I've been looking for you. I want to be with you. This and this and this and that. Hell no. Hell no. Okay? I'm tired. I want to sleep. Imagine 7:25 now. Now the toilet. And internet they can't be a gaga go back not disturb. I need to leave my internet on. I have people to call. I have family in different part of the world. Don't call me if you are poor. Don't call me if you don't have money. Cook and pour, pour when you clean them up. You won't get your let's go. When they can see road, they will run, piam. Like we corrupt, piam. You will not see them again. They will be the one who will start talking nonsense about you. I am done doing those things. If you know that you don't have money, I don't want. Can you to go to company because Latin chin go you to be your tie you don't quit or man cooking or don't quit a nigga, I don't want it. I need a man with a business. I need a man with a business, with some company. I don't want criminal. Mqual you government, Mqual you when they don't can be you don't quit local kid, don't back up by you and by neck, I don't want it. I need a man with a plan, with very good plan for me. And I don't think you're going to disturb. I have to sleep if I want to sleep. And I don't think you're nonsense love. Besides community take a war, you know, burger, junk, a bot, my lot of issues. Can you think here? Take you choose. Look at all. Okay? Look at all. This is what I want. I need a man with money. If you are broke, you don't have millions on your account, don't disturb me. I don't need broken guy right now. Good. We bang there empty. No. Don't call me. Don't message me. Get the hell out of my way. I don't need you. Respect yourself. I am done with cleaning. Okay, right now, I need someone to take care of. Here we there. We there alone there. Me too again and me. Can we alone? Me too we there can alone. So I need someone that will take care of me. Not me taking care of somebody. Me get among long road be take care of. Good. Call me. Message me. Before you call me, explain yourself in the message. You have to put it part 1. We'll start with your name, your last name, your country. And then part 2 is who you are and all these things, what you do for life, and why you love me. And why do you want to be with me? You have to plan. You have to plan yourself. But me just take an interest. I will give you a call. Don't just call me boom, boom, boom. No, please. But we do tell me I don't want a nonsense call. But we charge. Top 28. More day, morning. You guys can see it. It's morning. So please try an opinion, nonsense. Okay, try an opinion, word. Besides, we have different words. Why, chang dar here, a word we do. Wow, a word here, a chang dar kanga. Don't disturb me with nonsense. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. I don't need man with no money. I need money. I need money. Okay? I'm getting a bullet you. I will accept you this time around. If you are told and something good things, I will not accept that. Because it's useless. I'm getting a vampire and you got money, I will accept you. If you don't have money, don't disturb me. I want to go home now and sleep. Imagine, ta yen duel ko na toje yen go na bawak ka pen na nin ga matin jira tut tit shi ara ko je ya number na ya ko le ka WhatsApp ni kun kon ara number shi ko le ka WhatsApp. Okay, thank you mommy. Believe me, kare ga ta jok mo ta ngwan ga ta ban ta ki du na ko ra duet te jogo internet kena gaga internet kena gaga ne na liang bible ko bible la pak se taram kunana kwen ngunu te yo bute chek bute chow bute gad wo american wo mel won wo europe ki wo jerusalem pak te no kuna bible te me cha taram ne ngo wo jerusalem ajen american ajen wo bute chow africa bute chek africa bi ju wo ko me ci bible pak taram kuna bible kwano ni yogan man ga chow badu twain kwa berlin ko go ro jerusalem one day ken internet bi ga ku idun ken go ro no go mo I don't want it. I don't want that kind of love. Point of tede kat ben yando. Good to see you, my brother. Chak banan go to pen nganian ka I love you kan wo go I love you. Twangan ben yan nyo point de chuje and I yan. Okay, taram de wo mo go ro chaw te chuje chaw ba ko go ba le ngu mi an chaw de ben to go ro yo te sala yo ba kamran en ngan an taban. Okay, don't disturb me. Trying to disturb tam ko la won yen nga ajen telephone an tala bang ma jelo kian Sudanese government. I am human being like everybody. Point the shuje. Okay? Allow me to sleep. Kwa la me jega yeka men ku bola wa goy find. Agenta am shi kan phone ku disturbing me. Why? How do you guys feel by that back a word? I need to relax. I need to relax. Don't disturb me with love. If you love me, allow me to rest. Okay? Don't give me headache. Don't give me headache. I don't need that I love you. Please, leave me alone. Leave me and time as well. Go point a shadat. Me can mask go Albanian. Okay, ko kwa mask a pain kid no go bigger pain no kula jaka go kugo catch. Me pain would have wanna go. But I don't bring a telephone no good. I love you, I don't want it. Nyanchiew baby anymore with a yellow. It's the time to take care of me. Give your love to somebody. I don't need it. Okay, I'm not young anymore. I know about when I 40 is not that whole. But I'm it. Okay? You just go yawning and telling you. Can't let now for 5 months. So I did not go to work. So please, we can go love. I'm going to love because I will work with one madong by working. Let me have my peace. Okay? Please. Please and please, I beg you. Leave me alone. What I need now is not I love you. Okay? I don't want that kind of I love you. I don't need no man to love me now. Forget about it. And chat me and get telephone. I love you, I love you, I love you. Look, Mitch, I wrote long a camera, lady, and I love you. You could talk about it. You could talk about it. So please, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Let me be. I love you as a people, but you guys have to respect me too. I respect you, respect me. I need a rest. I'm not a machine. I don't print money. I don't even have money. I did not work for 5 months now. Do you know where I get my food from? No. And you are here trying to... don't call me, please. We are your comment. Why? Don't call me, okay? Video the bag of boy touch. Arana she yodak. I'm seeing Mala Yoniaka. Send me a message. But Chen Gorke, I love you. Chen Gorke, beautiful queen. Yes, I'm beautiful. God created me the way God created me. I want to relax. And that's it. Don't disturb me. We are coming to go to Shonen. Can't babin the left go to show. Okay? Mood attaching. Long enough for 12 point. But we don't need. She take a mood go to show on the telephone. Why do you go to show? But you get your baby and you go to show. And she had with the make over Benga. Okay? Please respect you and respect me too. Go to Shawnee. But show the only mission here in Beomi one. I have a lot of things that I can achieve. Me think you appeal I can do something else. But don't come and give me headaches. The same people look at my headache too. You wouldn't work alone already and they will go and give me another headache. Please. Please. I beg you in the name of God. Leave my inbox alone. I don't want a relationship. I don't want any relationship. And I'm not looking for any relationship. And that's it. Respect my decision. I don't need a man now. What I need is money. If you are a money, call me. I will give you my bank account. And you will put them there. If you are not money, don't call me. Don't call me. I don't need any love from anybody. My love now is money. You have money? Of course. Give me money first. Treat me well. Let me eat some barbecue. And then we can talk about love. After you take care of me. Biar temal.